Hi, Shania, si Tatay Pabs. Gusto sana kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Tsaka wish ko sa'yo good health always. Tapos lumaki kang maging mas mabait pa. Keep smile always. I love you. Love you, Tatay Pabs. Happy birthday.
Hi, Shania, Ninang Jessa. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo, sana lumaki ka pang mabuting bata at matalino at masunurin sa mga magulang mo. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. We love you.
Yan. Happy 7th birthday, Naya. God bless you. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy 7th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health. Good health lang palagi. And yun nga, mag-aral ng mabuti. Big girl na. And laging sumunod kay mama at papa. And sana, nawa, lahat ng desire ng puso mo, panalangin ng puso mo, ibigay ng Lord. And yan, may God bless you.
Naya, happy 7th birthday. God bless you always. Study well. Good girl lang kay mama, kay papa, at sa mga sisters mo. I miss you. Happy birthday, Naya.
Hello, Ate Naya! Happy birthday! Magpakabait palagi at makinig kay mama at papa. Miss ka na namin. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.